New Brunswick is big on attracting skilled workers like you. So with an abundance of exciting career, so you can see 60,000 jobs available over the next 5 years. If you are living abroad and want to work in New Brunswick, you can start looking for employment opportunities and find job openings that suit your skill set and work experience through a variety of job search websites. Finding a job in New Brunswick. If you want to work in New Brunswick, you can even start your job search while still in your home country. So guys, can you see that? This is an exciting news for you if you are willing to move to Canada come 2025. Canada is going to reopen this immigration pathway. This is a direct permanent residence pathway, guys. This is one of the easiest and fastest way to get your permanent residence in Canada. This pathway is going to be reopened early 2025. So if you have anyone around you that have been looking for a way to relocate to Canada, or probably they're already in Canada and looking for a way to get permanent residence, please share this video with them. Let them get their documents ready, and as soon as this pathway is reopened, they can quickly take advantage of it. The processing time for this pathway is just 8 months, and whether you are within or outside Canada, you are eligible to apply for your permanent residence through this pathway. Another exciting thing about this pathway is that to get your work permits, you do not require labor market impact assessment. That's the LMIA that takes a lot of money and time. Guys, this particular pathway is so direct, it does not require LMIA. So guys, what is this pathway I'm talking about? It is the Atlantic Immigration Program. The Atlantic Immigration Program is a pathway to permanent residence for skilled foreign workers and international graduates from a Canadian institution who wants to work and live in one of Canada's 4 Atlantic provinces, which are New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, or Newfoundland and Labrador. So if you want to live and work permanently in any of these 4 provinces in the Atlantic region of Canada, Canada is making it easier for foreigners to get permanent residence using this pathway. So guys, if you have not been looking at this pathway, this is the time for you to gather your documents and start your process. They usually have allocation for each year, so they've reached the quota for 2024, and that's why it was paused in September 2024 for the New Brunswick, and the other 3 provinces also had reached their quota for the year. So they are going to reopen it early 2025. So I want you to be on the lookout, which is why I'm bringing the information to you right now, so that you can get yourself prepared. As soon as it is reopened, I'm going to try as much as possible to notify you, hopefully just for you to start sending your application. I'm going to share with you in this video the eligibility criteria, the step-by-step process, and everything you need to start getting prepared for. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to join the family. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, so that whenever I post valuable content that is going to interest you, YouTube is going to notify you. Please guys, show me some love, like this video. Please just tap the like button. It's free to like the video, and share with your friends and family that are also willing to make Canada their home in 2025. If you have any comment, question, concerns, please drop it for me. I will try as much as possible to answer your questions. So with that being said, guys, let's dive right in. This is an employer-driven program designed to help employers in Atlantic Canada hire qualified candidates for jobs they have been unable to fill locally. So guys, you must receive a job offer from a designated employer in Atlantic Canada to participate in the program. So I'm going to show you how to get these jobs. So guys, who can apply for this program? You must know your NOC code. That's your National Occupational Classification Code. So I'm going to drop the link. You're going to go through this and check your NOC code. So that's the first step you're going to take To be eligible for this program, you must have work experience, whether in or outside Canada. In the last 5 years, you must have worked at least 1,560 hours. So this is the number of hours you would have worked in 1 year if you were working 30 hours per week. So you must have 1 year work experience. If you are an international graduate, you do not need work experience. For educational requirements, you must have 1 year Canadian post-secondary education credential or higher, or the equivalent from outside Canada. So at least you need high school diploma. So if you studied outside Canada, you need an educational credential assessment, ECA. That's why I'm bringing this video to you, so that you can start preparing your documents. So that's one of the documents you would need. Another requirement is the language requirements. You will need CLB 5 if your occupation falls within tier 0, 1, 2 or 3. And you will need CLB 4 if your occupation falls within tier 4. CLB 5 is just about band 4 of high health. If you understand English, if you are watching my video and you understand what I'm saying and you can speak in English, it is very easy to come by. So another requirement is proof of funds. So they need you to have some money with you, especially if you are moving with your family, so that you would be able to settle well when you get into Canada. So you can check out based on the number of the dependents you are going to Canada with. So you can check that out, but I bet you it's not going to be something so much, because already you are getting a job that will take you down there. They just want you to be sure before your employer pays you at the end of the month, at least you have something to pay for your rent and all of the basic needs before you start earning in Canada. So those are the documents you need for this particular program. If you meet all these requirements, you can start looking for a job with designated Atlantic employer. So you would need to seek job opportunities with designated employers. For more information, check the provincial website. So these are all the 4 participating provinces. So I will not be able to go through all of them in this video, but let's pick the first one, which is New Brunswick. So guys, we are on the website of the New Brunswick. This is their immigration website. New Brunswick is big on attracting skilled workers like you. So with an abundance of exciting career, so you can see 60,000 jobs available over the next 5 years, guys. 60,000 jobs are available already, sitting already in New Brunswick in the next 5 years. So there are loads of opportunities in this province. With an abundance of exciting career opportunities, over 12,000 annually and counting, New Brunswick is recruiting skilled people like you who want to grow in a province where there are unique knowledge, culture, and perspectives are valued. So employers are hiring candidates in the healthcare, education, manufacturing, transportation, construction, information technology, agriculture, and aquaculture. So you can see, immigrating to New Brunswick, are you ready for new opportunities, new surroundings, and a new lifestyle? So guys, you just want to come right here and click on working in New Brunswick. Finding a job in New Brunswick. If you want to work in New Brunswick, you can even start your job search while still in your home country. So that's an exciting news for you guys. They also have in-demand jobs. You can explore that. I don't want this video to get too long. So guys, we are going to click on that, finding a job in New Brunswick. This is where you start. If you are living abroad and want to work in New Brunswick, you can start looking for employment opportunities and find job openings that suit your skill set and work experience through a variety of job search websites. So guys, you can see it clearly on their website. These are the websites where you can find jobs in New Brunswick. So let's look at MB Jobs, which is, a designated website for this province where you can find thousands of jobs in New Brunswick. So this is like a designated job board for the province. So guys, you can just type in your job title here. So guys, you can see, a lot of job openings here. You can see it's just posted today, So there are lots of job opportunities here, guys. Just click on any of it that matches your qualification and work experience and start sending your application. Despite the fact that the program is yet to be opened, you can secure your job offer and start, putting together your documents so that once the portal is open for application, you would be able to begin your permanent residence application immediately the program is reopened. Guys, please jump on these amazing opportunities. I don't want to bore you with a lot of information, so if you need me to take you through the other 3 provinces, please let me know in the comment section. If I have about 20 to 30 people asking me to go through the other provinces, then that should be the next video I'm going to drop. So if you have any question, concern, please drop it for me in the comment section. I'm going to try as much as possible to respond to you. So guys, please jump right on it, and I wish you the best of luck in your application.